Hello mga ka-buy and sell. Panoorin ang mga Segundamanong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan ka boss. Please subscribe for more updates po. 2023 model Toyota Innova E. 2.8-liter diesel engine. Automatic transmission. 17,000 kilometers mileage. Cash price, 1,118,000 pesos. For financing, 230,000 pesos. Insurance not yet included. (2018) model Toyota Fortuner V, 4-wheel drive, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 36,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,388,000 pesos, for financing, 278,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. (2016) model Toyota Fortuner G, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 80,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 868,000 pesos, for financing, 175,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. (2022) model Geely Okavango Comfort, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 24,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 738,000 pesos, for financing, 222,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. (2021) model Nissan Navara L, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 43,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 798,000 pesos, for financing, 240,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. 2023 model Nissan Navara Pro 4X. 4-wheel drive, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage. Cash price, 1,288,000 pesos. For financing, 258,000 pesos. Insurance not yet included. Thank you for watching. Naway nabigyan kayo ng idea sa iyong dream car. Visit our website for more car sale.